Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. This is our writing week. This is a chance where we get to try out all of the things that we've been playing with this month and see if we can put a scene on paper that captures something that we've learned. Victoria, what will you tease us with on this Monday Compass?
For this week, we're going to dig a little bit further into narrative distance, and I'm going to give you a challenge on something that I call the narrative distance pyramid. And it's just a simple workflow that allows you to ask some key questions to see if, in fact, you have gotten your story right. So that's what we'll work on tomorrow. Kathleen?
How fantastic. Well, of course, we're going to be writing, and of course, we're going to be writing about gratitude because that's our character trait. But what are we going to do to make it a little bit surprising, and how are we going to tie that in to narrative distance? You're going to have to come back tomorrow to see. See you then. Bye-bye.